What is up? So check this out. I just got this new chair. My buddy made it for me. I figured, why not use it to make some YouTube videos? So check this out. Today, we're gonna talk a little bit about an issue that happened to me this week. But first, have you guys tried this Mountain Dew Rise Energy? I haven't tried it yet. This is my first taste, so let's see what's up with this stuff. I'm an energy drink fan, right? Something new. I like to try it out. So this is a berry blitz. It kind of tastes, to me, a little grape juice-ish. So I'm gonna put that over here with my little skunk. But all right, so check this out. This week, last week, and the week before, I'm at this property, right? And we've got this roofing company putting a new roof on. So, long story short, obviously in my head, I've been through this before. I'm thinking, please, 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 please do not get a nail in my tire, because it happens every time, right? And before, what happens? I get a nail in my tire, I'm stuck replacing the tire, or fixing the tire, or taking it to the tire shop, wasting time, getting it fixed, right? So this light bulb, bing, went off in my head, and I was like, dude, enough of this bull crap. Like, if I show up to a property and there are roofers re-roofing the roof, or they have just replaced the roof, or any type of construction where if I run over a nail or if I run over a staple. So check this out. First week, I get 2 nails in my tire, 1 in each tire. So go to the shop. Well, I take this back, right? Let's go back a couple months. House, duplex, getting a new roof. Boom, 2 nails each tire. I put some Fix-A-Flat in it, left the nails there. We were good. They were slowly leaking air, so every now and then I'd have to stop at like the gas station on my way and, like, you know, put a little bit of air in the tire. So here's the deal. Like, I don't mind doing that, but the more I thought about it, I was wasting my time. So fast forward a few months, like, I don't know, a month on this one, but I go to the gas station. We've already mowed a few lawns that day, right? Go to the gas station. I fill up the tire. Well, no, we were filled up with gas. And Mob Street, Mr. Matt, he's like, dude, your tire is like flat as a pancake. And I'm like, I just mowed that lawn. So I'm thinking, as I was driving up the tailgate, the nail got caught in, you know, expanded metal, tore it out. So lo and behold, flat tire. Take it to the tire shop. They fix both tires, plug them, boom, we're good, right? For like a week, I was like, dude, this is awesome. I don't have to stop by the freaking gas station no more. I don't have to pump up my tires. Well, so we get to this other property, and they're redoing the roof. So I'm just like, cross my fingers, right? Hoping I wouldn't get a flat tire. Boom. Right after that, nail in the tire. I look down while I'm mowing, I'm just like, fuck, right? So, go to the tire shop. My good friend Steve, he owns, you know, a set of big old tires. He owns one in Provo, and they just bought one in the Pleasant Grove area. So I stopped by there, had me fixed, up and out of there real quick. So we checked the other tire to try to find another nail, right? So we're like, dude, let's just check the other tire over here. We couldn't see anything, right? Well, I found later that there was a staple in that tire too. So that property too, boom, another nail in my tire. and a staple in the other one. So I had a repair kit here at my house, so I fixed that one. But same thing, time, right? It's just time to fix it. So we go back the next week, got the roof done, had a couple dumpsters still there at the property. I was thinking, man, maybe they cleaned up. You know, a lot of these guys will take a magnet across and clean up. Some companies are legit, and they'll clean up some really good stuff. You won't ever see it down your tire. Well, I get done halfway mowing that property, dude, and my tire is going flat. And I'm like, son of a b. Go over to the truck, sure as... So my GoPro is like shutting off on me, right? It's like not wanting me to finish this video. But anyways, so sure enough, I check it out, and the nail wasn't in there. It had popped out. But yeah, big old hole in my tire, dude. Psh. So, and the one reason why I could tell where it was at easily is because I'd prior to that filled it with Fix-A-Flat. So anyways, luckily this time I put the repair kit on the truck, so I had it with me. So anyways, I had to take a break, fix the tire, pump it up with my I need to get a new pump, but I had one of those little pumps, you plug in the cigarette lighter, blah blah blah. Anyways, I fix it, right? So the point to this video is, what am I gonna do, right? So the first time it happened on the duplex, I didn't do anything. I texted the manager and was like, hey, blah blah, just thanks for doing the roof. I just got 2 nails in my tires, and they were like, sorry. Actually, I didn't text the manager, I texted the roofing company because he's a good buddy of mine. So didn't think anything of it, but not necessarily his fault. I mean, I know it's hard. I've done some roof stuff. I mean, it's hard, right? But here's the deal. I shouldn't have to pay for that myself, right? So from here on out, I am charging whoever's property I am at if I get a flat tire. Simple. This other property, I've had, let's see, so there was 3 flat tires just off of the one property over the 2 weeks. That sucks. I mean, legitly. It just sucks. I mean, yes, we plug our tires, but there's been times where, I don't know, like, I'll get stuff in my tires. You guys get stuff in your tires all the time. Like, we all get stuff in our tires, right? We're always, especially if we have to go dump it. Sometimes these dump places, I'm always getting stuff in my tires. But the thing is, if I know where it's coming from, especially if they're doing a roof, I am going to charge them for the repairs. It's time. It's time wasted. Spent 20 minutes going to the tire shop. 2 guys, that's almost an hour. There's at least 40, 45 minutes, plus an additional going off of our route to go to the tire shop. So traffic, all that stuff, you're looking about an hour's worth of labor. I don't know. A lot of you guys probably charge a little bit more, but we're right about 50. I mean, I could get more, but you know what? We're comfortable. We've got a killer route. I don't have any overhead, so we're right at about $50 per man hour. So yeah, so I'm gonna start charging them. So my question to you guys is, what do you guys do in that situation? If it's a company that's like roofing and you get a nail in your tire, are you gonna charge that customer? I get that we get random stuff in our tires every now and then. I can deal with that. But when it's a property that's got the roof torn off, and I know for a fact they're roofing, and it's a damn roofing nail in my tire, I'm charging them. So what are you gonna do? Comment down below. Let me know what you would do in this situation, because legitly, it's business. We need to know the cost of doing business. Obviously, you got a tandem axle trailer. You know you're gonna be putting tires on those things, turning radius. I was always putting new tires on those things. This is the cost of doing business. But you gotta know your costs, right? So I don't feel that's necessarily a cost that I should be responsible for, because I'm just there to mow the lawn. So anyways, let me know what you think. If you think differently, comment down below. I don't know. Same. Speaking of, stay tuned for the next video because we're going to be talking about dog poop. Yeah, dog poop. That's an interesting topic. So, comment down below, like and subscribe, follow along. We're going to be making some more content with this chair. Maybe you won't like it. Maybe you will like it. I don't know. But we're going to test it out for a couple months, and we're going to talk about business. Business-related stuff. Lawn care, business-related stuff. So, follow along, subscribe, and let's grow our businesses. Me, I'm going to grow my business financially, not necessarily buy a bunch more trucks, buy a bunch more of this, buy a bunch more of that, hire a bunch of people. I'm going to subcontract some of my stuff out, but financially, I'm going to be putting more money in my pocket. So, that's it. We're done. I'll quit rambling. We're going to move on to the next